Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today we come to you from Lawrence, South Carolina, and home of Fukoku America, the only North American location. Established in 1953 by Ichi Kawamoto in Tokyo, Japan, Fukoku leads the rubber and synthetic resin product industry market, including artificial intelligence technology. With 20 manufacturing plants and operations globally, Fukoku is fully certified for quality and environmental management systems, including ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and IATF 16949 certifications. Currently, Fukoku is the largest producer of rubber wiper blades in the world, used in a variety of applications exceeding 200 million products annually. Fukoku also develops seals for industrial applications, such as pneumatic tools and industrial machinery. In operation since 2001, Fukoku America received the 2018 SC Manufacturing Excellence Award and was recognized for transformation and operational excellence. Fukoku America produces constant velocity joint and rack and pinion boots for the automotive industry. They have excellent endurance performance by using thermoplastic elastomer and are flexible to fit any joint type. Our radiator seals play an important role in engine control. As an OEM supplier, we offer warehouse capability and ship approximately 6 million products monthly worldwide. Fukoku remains committed to the spirit of our corporate slogan, "Yes, we do," as part of our Fukoku Way, corporate philosophy and vision. Fukoku continues to develop new technologies to benefit our direct customers and consumers around the world. Fukoku America is located in Lawrence, South Carolina. Find out more at fukoku-rubber.co.jp/English.